Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area coded number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook, The Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we continued to deliver winners for our subscribers. Today's profile closed up almost 18% on the day. Congrats to all subscribers banking. We are looking for another runner for Friday. We want to finish the week strong. So subscribers, make sure you keep checking your inbox, and if you're not already a subscriber, what are you waiting for? And if you look at the stocks we covered last night, we had 5 hot penny stocks: MGOL, EFSH, SLDB, EXFY, AEVA. SLDB was the big runner, up 27%, MGOL up 18%, EFSH up 12%, and AEVA and EXFY were both mixed. SLDB, the big reason for the run was the FDA news, and then MGOL and EFSH both had earnings. AEVA and EXFY are both had insider buying. I'm profiling insider buying plays for you guys. Anything over $500,000, that is significant from an insider, directors, CEO, CFO, etc. That's what I'm looking for. And these are longer term type plays that you can put on your radar screen. And again, some of these plays are making big moves pre-market. If you want to trade 4 a.m. to 8 p.m., click our referral link in the description for Webull. Register and open a new account. Then if you deposit, you can claim up to 6 to 12 free stocks. So it's a good promotion. Check that out with Webull. In terms of the overall market, retail sales slowed in October and prior months were revised higher, suggesting some resiliency going into the holiday season. Prices paid to U.S. producers unexpectedly declined by the most since April 2020. October's producer price index, a gauge of wholesale prices, slid 0.5%. That came a day after the CPI remained flat for October, another encouraging sign for investors hoping that the Fed has seen the path of inflation cool enough to stop hiking interest rates. Tuesday's session brought the biggest gains for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq since April. With November about halfway through, the S&P 500 is up more than 7% for the month, while the Dow has advanced nearly 6% and the Nasdaq up 9.8% in this period. David Russell, global head of market strategy at TradeStation, said, "We got more Goldilocks today. Price growth is moderating, but with strong demand on the sidelines, the soft landing is taking shape." Despite the growing hopes U.S. inflation will further dissipate toward the Fed's 2% target, a growing number of high-profile Wall Street figures have urged caution. The bond market is at risk of leaning too heavily towards rate cuts next year as the inflation problem is far from being solved. This is according to Daniel Ivison. He's Chief Investment Officer at PIMCO. He joined Jamie Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan Chase, and Ken Griffin, founder of Citadel, who have both this week warned inflation may be more persistent than markets are pricing in. With the 2 inflation reports now behind us, investors will turn focus to a crop of economic data on topics such as jobless claims, industrial production, and the housing market due tomorrow. They will also follow remarks expected from Fed officials, including Cleveland President Loretta Mester and New York Fed President John Williams at events throughout the day. Investors will also watch for earnings report from retail companies expected on Thursday. Macy's and Walmart are slated to report before the bell, followed by Gap after the market closes. In terms of stocks that I am watching for tomorrow, the only one on my radar right now is JANX. This one has major insider buying. This is on November 13th at 587. You got Avalon Ventures, Jay Lecter, the director, and Ty Reardon, the acting CFO. They all bought just under $5 million worth of stock in the company. Stock is making a climb up here. Could get some profit taking, but we're trading higher in the after hours. They bought off the major trendline support. So put this one on your radar screen along with the other insider buys that I have been talking about. We've also, tonight, there's some other gappers this evening. They're not worth covering. They look like pump and dumps, so be cautious. The plays that I'm looking for, they must have real news, real catalysts, not just, trading higher up, 30, 40, 50% in the after hours. You get a lot of pumping and dumping. You get that artificial volume coming in, and then a lot of retail buy into it, and then they get dumped on either in the pre-market or at the opening bell. So you got to be cautious there. And in terms of the overall market, I am being a little bit cautious. I think this market, maybe too fast, too soon. If you look at the headlines, Mark Hulbert, on Market Watch, he's saying don't be fooled. Huge one-day stock rallies are more common in bear markets. He is right about that. If you've been trading as long as I have, these face-ripping rallies, they come in bear markets, not bull markets. And we're seeing a lot of gap ups, the S&P 500, SPY, look at these gap ups. This is not normal, So again, be a little bit cautious. We're already up here almost, at the 52-week highs. So I'm going to be a little cautious. And then you got the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. He is raising cash. He sold GM, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. As it amasses cash, he already had $150 billion in cash, and he's looking to keep padding that cash value. He's getting 5% in short-term treasuries. So again, Buffett, he is waiting for that value play. He's looking for that downturn, and that's when he's going to go shopping. So and then if you look in after hours action, shares of Cisco Systems dropped 11% after the company offered weak guidance for the current quarter and full fiscal year. Palo Alto Networks shed 5% after the cybersecurity company issued a dismal forecast on billings. Today, Target, we had, earnings, the stock popped. But if you look at the news, it beat on profits. So they're, doing a creative accounting, boosting net income, but sales came in less than expected. So again, there's a lot of reasons to be cautious right now. And, this weekend, guys, I will be releasing the first of my educational videos. This one will be titled The Anatomy of a Short Squeeze. So please hit that like button and subscribe along with the notification bell to be notified when that video goes live. I think it will be helpful for you guys. And at InsiderFinancial.com, what we do here is we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech, FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at InsiderFinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research Make your own investment decisions or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great night and great trading day, traders. Bye-bye.